Fix Facebook, we couldn't create an account for you step-by-step solution? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several ways to fix this issue on your iPhone. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem is related to your network. Next, check if you're using the latest version of the Facebook app. Open the App Store, search for Facebook. If you see an Update button, tap it to install the latest version. If the app is already updated, force close Facebook and open it again. If the issue continues, clear the app by reinstalling it. Press and hold the Facebook app. Tap Remove App, then choose Delete App. Then tap Delete again. Now reinstall Facebook from the App Store and try creating your account again. You should also make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Open Settings, tap General, then Software Update. Install any available updates and try again. If you still can't create an account, the problem may be on Facebook's side, or your IP address may have been temporarily restricted due to too many sign-up attempts. Wait a few hours and try again, or contact Facebook support for further assistance. And that's it. Those are the best ways to fix the "we couldn't create an account for you" error on Facebook using your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Facebook tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials.